Here it is given that three vectors A, B and C satisfy the relation A dot B is equal to 0 and A dot C is equal to 0. The vector A is parallel to. So in the first part, the relation is given that A dot B is equal to 0. That means the A vector is perpendicular to nothing but B vector, because when two vectors are perpendicular or angle between them is 90, then their dot product is equal to 0. Same as like that, we can write A dot C is equal to 0. That means A vector is perpendicular to C vector. So we can say that this A is perpendicular to B and perpendicular to C. So as an example, if we are considering that our A vector is along the x-axis, then B vector is along, take it as y-axis, and the C vector is along the z-axis. I'm taking an example for it. So this, if the C vector is along z-axis, A vector is along x-axis, and B vector is along y-axis. So we can say that A dot B is equal to 0 and A dot C is equal to 0, and the vector A is parallel to. And we can observe that if you are going for B vector cross C vector, that will be along the direction of A. So the direction of A is along the direction of B cross C, because B cross C will be always perpendicular to the plane containing B and C. And in question it is mentioned that A is perpendicular to B and C. That means this B cross C is always parallel to A.